We've seen long lineups outside pharmacies before for COVID-19 tests. Today, we are seeing them for COVID-19 vaccinations. It's remarkable how far we've come in just a year. There has been a steady lineup of people entering this Shoppers location at Danforth and Coxwell all day long, but we have been told that this location has now run out of doses, so this will be the last group to enter today. And while there has been some confusion over the rollout at pharmacies, there's also been a ton of excitement. Taking both walk-ins and appointments, the wait was up to 90 minutes at this Shoppers on Danforth, but the long line didn't deter residents from the opportunity to become some of the first in the province to get an AstraZeneca shot.
I'm very excited to receive it.
It's a good thing. It's good to be vaccinated, and that way hopefully it'll be all over soon.
For me, in this age, it is a chance to give.
A chance to live after living in fear for a year. The AstraZeneca vaccine is being rolled out to 325 pharmacies across Ontario this week. Pharmacists say it has been a whirlwind preparing with little notice.
The good thing is that we've had an existing infrastructure based off of flu shots that we've been delivering successfully for many years.
The AstraZeneca shot is reserved for 60 to 64-year-olds after the National Advisory Committee on Immunization warned not enough is known about its efficacy on the 65-plus population. But there has been some confusion about exactly who qualifies. The province clarifying if you're 59 and turning 60 this year, or if you are turning 65 in 2021, you are still eligible.
We want as many people to get the vaccines as possible. We don't want there to be those sorts of limitations. It's really important.
Confusion, too, about exactly how to get a shot. While the province said pharmacies must inoculate by appointment only, walk-ins are being accepted at some locations.
They misconstrued it. Now they're saying you can just come in without an appointment.
And news out of Europe causing concern. AstraZeneca vaccines have been suspended in Denmark after cases of blood clots were reported in people who received the vaccine. The country emphasizing the pause is only temporary while health officials conduct an investigation. Here in Ontario, the health minister says they're watching the developments closely, but there are no plans to opt out of the shot.
Health Canada has done a very thorough review of AstraZeneca. They have told us that it is safe and it works. We know that several million doses have already been administered around the world with no adverse effects.
And given the enthusiasm seen today, no concerns yet about vaccine hesitancy.
The phones have been ringing nonstop, sometimes multiple phone calls at the same time. We are filling up our spots quite quickly.
The pharmacies we spoke with today tell us they've received 500 doses each, and they're not sure when their supplies will be replenished, but we do know Ontario received 194,000 AstraZeneca doses this week. And as for this location, they say after today they will no longer be accepting walk-ins, so if you do want to book an appointment, you'll have to do it online or over the phone. We did also hear from AstraZeneca today. They say of 10 million people, they say there has been no records to show that there's been an increase in blood clots. They say, in fact, there have been fewer among the vaccinated population than the general population.